Before we even start, let me show you some proof. I'm not here to brag. I'm here to teach. Every single day, I trade over $200,000 live. That's not a claim. It's a commitment. You can see the real screenshots, the real numbers. Now let's get to the real question. What's better, trading or investing? Let's settle this once and for all. Trading is speed. Investing is patience. Trading is like sprinting. Fast, focused, risky. You win or you lose in minutes. Investing? It's the marathon. Steady, calculated, long-term. Traders play the short game. Investors play the long game. But both want one thing, financial freedom. So who makes more money? Let's be real. If done right, trading can make you a millionaire fast. But done wrong, it can destroy you even faster. Investing won't make you rich overnight, but it won't ruin you overnight either. Traders can earn $1,000 to $10,000 in a single day. Investors may earn 7 to 10% in a year. But remember this, consistency beats luck, and your risk must match your skill. So, which one's better? It depends on you. Let's talk psychology. Traders need nerves of steel. You fight your emotions every second. Greed, fear, hope, one wrong move. Boom, account gone. Investors, they need patience. They believe in time. Your psychology defines your style. Not everyone is built to trade. Not everyone can wait 10 years. Only you can decide which path matches your mindset. Now here's a truth they won't tell you. You don't have to pick one forever. Start as an investor. Build the mindset. Learn how money moves. Then, step into trading when you're trained, like a warrior. Or, trade small. Invest big. But always remember, money doesn't grow by watching it. It grows when you understand it. Trading gave me freedom. Investing gave me peace. You choose your path. If this helped you think differently, then I have a question for you. What if I told you that I'm planning to launch the most powerful trading course you've ever seen? Not like those fake YouTube gurus, no rented Lamborghini, no hotel flex, just raw skill, live experience, and real strategies. I've been trading over $200,000 daily, and this course, it won't be theory, it'll be battle-tested blueprints that can change your life. So if you want me to launch it, comment below, just write the word course, and if I get enough people, I'll release it. No upsells, no games, only value. I'll take the guarantee. You follow what I teach, and I'll help you become a millionaire. This is not for the poor mindset. This is for those ready to rise. Not the ones who doubt, but the ones who dream and act. Follow me. Because poor people don't join this mission. Only the future millionaires do. You've already seen what I've built. Now let's build your wealth story together. Subscribe now, comment course, and let's make your first million. Not a dream, but a deadline.